Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Today mag unboxing tayo sa ating mga binili. Ang bilis niyan dumating. Parang ang bilis lang yata, 1 week. Tsering sponge. Online ito bumili ng sponge. Hello. Hello. Shein from Shein. It's all mine. One for my baby. Just one for you, darling. And it's all mine. My beanie and the rosary. Rosary. This the beanie. Always be happy. Happy, happy. It looks cool in there. All right. This one from Shein. It's for going to the snow. Oh, look, darling. For the snow, but I can wear it during outside as well. No. This one going for the snow. This is a snow boats, gumboats. And this one my. Hi, for the cold. Wow, it's really nice. Ang ganda guys. Super ganda talaga. This one is for a thermal. So free delivery siya. This one for my darling. So thank you for watching.